let us know. So then we'll do the arrangement accordingly. Yeah.
I will help for the Bengali.
Okay, so I'll do a mix. So, as some of you took an interview right now, and we have in the auspicious presence of Mr. C.P. Khandelwal, he is the Senior Vice President at EdgeTech. He's been in the industry for a very long time. In fact, the leaders among the team, and CP sir of course leads the categories जो यहाँ पे लेके आया गया है और finally we are talking about a product today and a brand today, as CP sir just mentioned, which is technically very advanced. A lot of R&D goes behind products from the brand owner. And you know, one of the things that we were discussing yesterday when we were traveling to Kolkata is talking about products that we ourselves like to use. This is the first phone जो हम market में लेके आ रहे हैं, and we have packed a lot of features in this. But जो भी ये specifications and features जो हमने भरे हैं, ये सिर्फ इसलिए नहीं कि कोई point of purchase पे आके convert हो जाए. That is not the aim. The aim is एक बार जब user खरीदता है product, उसके बाद जब daily use में वो product को use करते हैं, तो क्या वहाँ पे उनको value मिलती है? Do they really get to use this product that takes care of their well-being, that makes sure that they are using this product well? And that is the philosophy with which the Honor 90 has been crafted. I'm Srihari, I'm a product manager here. I talk about products, and today also I'm here to talk about the product, a product that I love a lot. So we begin with display. अब देखिए, I'm sure आप लोग बहुत सारे smartphone press conferences follow करते हैं, तो I will not bore you with the regular stuff, right? So I will make sure that that stuff is taken care of quickly. तो quad curve display है, अगर आप देख सकते हैं, when we show you the phones, you'll see that this is not just a curved display from two sides, it is curved from all sides. और ऐसा जो look है, ये बहुत ही कम phones में आपको देखने मिलेगा. In fact, India में there's barely any phone that has a quad curved display. So it's almost the first phone and the only that you can find. अब इस curve का फायदा क्या है? That while everyone talks about looks and elegance, and that's of course a part of it, the Honor 90 is a beautiful looking phone. But what it also does is, आप bezels की बात करते हैं, बहुत बार लोग बोलते हैं bezel-less display है, right? Bezels are going to be there. But what the curve does is, curve उन bezels को side में कर देता है. So when you're using the phone, आपको सिर्फ screen ही ढंग से दिखता है, बाकी bezels जो है वो curve छुपा देता है. अब specs की बात करते हैं. I'll get it out of the way. Top flagship specs. You can go compare out to any of the phones in any of the price ranges. I'm not saying limited to certain price range. 16 with displays, with cameras especially, and with display we've got 140 rating. 140 rating पे this is among the top flagships. आप किसी भी price range में किसी भी region of the world में देखिए, DxO Mark 140 puts it among the top displays. And DxO Mark का gold display rating, special gold display rating दिया गया है इस फोन को और इस फोन के डिस्प्ले को. अब ये सब बातें मैंने कर ली हैं. This all indicates to the fact कि Honor 90 is one of the best displays you can find. But there's something very special, something that nobody talks about, something that we want to start talking about and we want others to talk about as well. 33% of the usage, आप लोग जो स्मार्टफोन यूज करते हैं, तो आप दिन में करते हैं, अभी आप लोग अपने स्मार्टफोन्स पे भी हैं, कुछ लोग शूट कर रहे हैं. अब सब काम खत्म होने के बाद रात को जब घर पे जाते हैं, खाना खाते हैं, we sit and we scroll the phone, Instagram, Facebook पे देख रहे हैं वीडियोस, हम देखते हैं. 33% of the usage according to the survey, 1/3 of the usage happens between 8 p.m. in the night to 6 a.m. in the morning. This is when a lot of people use their smartphones. अब जो स्मार्टफोन का जो ब्राइटनेस होता है, हम ब्राइटनेस को कम करते हैं रात को, राइट? फुल ब्राइटनेस पे देखते हैं तो थोड़ी आंखें हो जाती है. सो वी रिड्यूस द ब्राइटनेस. जब आप ब्राइटनेस रिड्यूस करते हैं अपने फोन का, स्पेशली एमोलेड डिस्प्लेज में, एक PWM डिमिंग नाम का टेक्निक यूज होता है, जिसमें ये जो स्क्रीन है वो फ्लिकर करती है. अब जो भी लाइट्स हैं आपके आसपास, सारी स्क्रीन फ्लिकर करती हैं. अब ये जो फ्लिकरिंग है, ये आपकी आंखों को इफेक्ट करती है, स्पेशली लो ब्राइटनेस पे. तो ये जो 33% यूसेज ऑफ द फोन है, which means 1/3 of your usage is in low brightness, जहां पे आपकी आंखें इफेक्ट होती हैं with the flickering. अब इसको सॉल्व करने का तरीका क्या है? सॉल्व करने का तरीका ये है कि ये जो फ्लिकरिंग की फ्रीक्वेंसी है उसको बढ़ा दो. अब मैं समझ रहा हूँ कि डिस्प्ले टेक्निक में इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड, बट आई गिव यू अ इजी एग्जांपल. हैव यू सीन any helicopter videos? आपने helicopter या fans की videos देखी? When you look at a helicopter, you can see the 3 wings, right? And it starts spinning, you can see all the wings. The moment it starts spinning at a very fast speed, you don't see the wings anymore. You just see a circle. Smartphones, but anyone who uses a smartphone, which I believe is every single person in this room. I don't think there's anyone in this room who does not use a phone. In fact, आप लोग अभी भी चेक कर सकते हैं, या after this you can go check on Google, put the name of your phone and check कि हमारे फोन का PWM dimming कितना है. You'll find most. I'm not saying they're not expensive, but most of the phones will be this. Now, अगर आप 1250 के ऊपर चले जाए, so we didn't just go in the low risk area. We went far above the low risk area, went into the risk-free dimming zone, and not just here. 3125 करके हम रुक सकते थे. The phone went to 3840 Hz, and the world's first phone to get to 3840 Hz PWM dimming, which makes it the safe, is something that we know more and more people will start talking about after the Honor 90. The reason why most smartphones, जैसा मैंने आपको बोला, जो low risk area में हैं, वो इसलिए नहीं है that they couldn't do it. It's because nobody asks for it. Nobody says that, is this display safe for me? We want to start that conversation. Next time you go out to buy a smartphone, do ask and do check out iska PWM dimming kitna hai. Is it safe for me? Is it, even if it's above 1000, that's good. At least don't stay below the 1250 number. Finally, with the Honor 90, you can come into the risk-free dimming area, and please check out our phones after this. And all of you, if anyone who has cameras, certainly point your cameras at our phone. आप लोग जब शूट करते हो तो आपके स्क्रीन में फ्लिकरिंग आती है स्मार्टफोन स्क्रीन में, करेक्ट? ऑन 90 में आपको नहीं है. यू विल बी एबल टू शूट वेरी वेल विद दिस बिकॉज़ फ्लिकरिंग इज इन द 3840 Hz. नाउ लेट्स कम टू कैमरा. अनदर थिंग दैट मेक्स इट स्टैंड आउट. अब ये जो कैमरास हैं, 200 मेगापिक्सल प्राइमरी कैमरा, 12 मेगापिक्सल का अल्ट्रा वाइड एंड मैक्रो कैमरा का कॉम्बिनेशन है, एंड वी हैव अ डेप्थ कैमरा एट द बैक एंड अ 50 मेगापिक्सल फ्रंट कैमरा. Now, this camera does everything that a top flagship grade smartphone camera is supposed to do. So 200 megapixel camera can let you shoot full landscape with high-res 200 megapixel resolution. In standard modes, it does a 16:1 pixel binning. Basically gets all these pixels together for more light and gets you 12 megapixel, 12.5 megapixel shots. Cameraman, anyone with the camera, of course I can see, they all know that sensor size. The size of the sensor is very important because the more light that comes in, the more details there are, and post-processing you can do a lot more with it. So we have the largest sensor in the segment, so not just 200 million pixels, but the largest sensor, and together it brings flagship grade camera experience. On an image engine, HDR, portrait mode pictures. In fact, the depth camera on the phone not just is used for great portrait photos, but this phone takes great portrait videos as well in cameras. आप कितने भी Android smartphones की बात करेंगे, आप हमेशा बोलते हैं कि photos के लिए Android smartphones are good. Last time also I remember talking to a lot of you said photos are always great, but videos, smartphone cameras, at least Android phones don't do videos well, right? You nod your head because we talked about this. You always say iPhones do the best videos. Well, let's see what the Honor 90 does. Because we have something special on the Honor 90, especially for this community as well, and I will come to that. So you can shoot with 200 megapixel. यहाँ पे you can crop in, use it for Instagram, use it for your social media platforms. Comes as part of the way now. AI. Why do we write AI here? अब देखिए जो स्मार्टफोन कैमरा होता है, while it's very simplified compared to a DSLR or the video cameras that they are using, हमारे हाथ में, मेरे हाथ में अगर ये कैमरा दे दिया, because I don't even know what to do with most of these buttons. Right? Most consumers do not. Smartphone cameras के case में भी you have a lot of features, but people don't know how to use those features. Share कर सकते हैं. You can also cut out and share it on WhatsApp. So you can on the instant make movies, gifs, short clips, anything to share.
काफ़ी लंबे वक्त के बाद एक बड़ा ब्रांड जो टेक्नोलॉजी में और जिस तरीके की आजकल 5G जो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हो रहा है उसके लेके जो टेक्नोलॉजी रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं विद ऑल एवरीथिंग द ब्रांड इज़ कमिंग इन ए बिग वे टू इंडिया मार्केट फॉर द इंडियन कस्टमर्स.